Sup my dudes, it's Demi, and today I'm giving you a tour of a Harry Potter-themed Airbnb right in the heart of Orlando. This is 20 minutes from Universal, 15 minutes from Disney. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse that can sleep up to 10 people. I'm gonna show you all the rooms, all of the amenities that come in this townhouse, and maybe this could be a place for you to stay on your next trip to Orlando. So now let's get into it. Let's see this Harry Potter Airbnb, and let's go get into some hijinks. So here is the outside. This is a gated community with all these townhouses. We are on the corner here. This Airbnb is located in a gated community and it has a bunch of different townhouses, and this one is ours. We have had great communication with our host. We didn't meet them, they just give us a code, you put your code in and then the door will open, and then boom, here we are. So here we are. This is the living room and dining room and kitchen area of the Airbnb. Alexa is here. We're sharing this together. And as you can see, we have kind of already been in here, and that is because I got in at 3 in the morning. But Alexa was super nice and took some video of this whole place before I got here, before we touched anything. So when you first walk in, you have this dining area, and this is all set up when you come in with these Harry Potter bowls and cups. It has different quotes on it. We have Gryffindor. Oh, they have all of the different houses: Hufflepuff, Slytherin, and Ravenclaw. So cool. This is a 6-seat table, but there are also stools like Alexa is sitting on, but we're using 2 of them to keep the curtain open for more light. Turning around, we have the kitchen area. On top, we have the golden snitch, we have the sorting hat, we have the Tri-Wizard cup. We also have this great London, England clock on the wall. So in the kitchen, we have a full-size garbage, a full-size dishwasher, a double sink. They also left an Instapot. We have knives and scissors and cooking utensils, because underneath the cabinet we have some cooking supplies, pans, pots. We have our microwave, a very nice size oven, more utensils. There's even a waffle maker, a kettle, a toaster, and there is a full-size Keurig where you can make a pot or you can make pods, and they left this for us. There's a couple of pods in here, some sugars. It's so nice. We have our silverware drawer in here, more pans and pots and bowls, and even more pans and pots and bowls, and a cutting board and some Tupperware. In the drawer we have more knives and pizza cutter and can opener. Next drawer is oven mitts and more baking and cooking utensils, and there's even aluminum foil here, which is really nice. Under the sink we have some cleaning supplies and extra garbage bags. On the sink they left roll of paper towel, Dawn dish soap, and a sponge. In the cabinet there is a ton of glassware. For some reason there's some adobo seasoning in the top one. And there's more plates and mugs and extra sugar in the other cabinet as well. And then finally we have our big fridge and freezer. They even have water and ice, and yes, it does work. Huge fridge and freezer. Yes, we did bring some stuff. It does make a loud noise when you open the freezer, but it's huge. So if you're a big family, this is a good size fridge. After the dining room, we have the living room area. Of course, we're watching Harry Potter, and we did decorate a little as well. This is some of Alexa's art. She is incredible, and I'm gonna link her Etsy shop below. Go check her out. And all the TVs in the house are smart TVs, and you can sign into any of your streaming services. Below the TV, they left us some Harry Potter games. We have Harry Potter Codenames, Harry Potter Clue, and Harry Potter Wizard Chess, and a deck of cards. And then we have the seating area. We have 2 couches, a side table, a coffee table, and a big mirror, and our Hogwarts house flag, and a fan. And then to the right, we have the outdoor patio area. They just have a couple of chairs out here. It's just a little slab of patio. But then you have this really nice, area out here. They keep it really pretty, all the grounds. After the living room, we have our first bedroom. This is the only downstairs bedroom. And we have the Gryffindor portrait on the wall asking for a password, because this is the Gryffindor room. So cool. You have the giant lion on the wall. It's so stinking cool in here. It gives you the vibes. And then you have the king size bed, and I slept in it last night, even though I am a Hufflepuff, but I wanted the king bed, and it is super, super comfortable. The linens are also very nice, and they have a housekeeper. There is a cleaning fee, but everything comes really clean and really nice. Then what is so cool on the wall by the TV is all of Harry's letters flying to try to reach him from the first book, and you have the 4-privet drive mailbox. But then below our TV, which again is a smart TV, we have our dresser, we have 2 big drawers, there's also 2 little wicker baskets, and we got a little Hogwarts Express train. On the side of the bed, we have a nightstand and another nightstand with a lamp. I will say it is daytime. The lighting in here is very dim, but it makes it look cool because it's Harry Potter themed. So that is like the one thing. So during the day, definitely keep the windows open. Oh, and I don't even think I showed you, it has a little Gryffindor plaque on the door. But now let's head into the bathroom. This is the first floor bathroom period and the bathroom for this room. We have a Marauders map on the wall. It is a huge bathroom in here, which is really nice and spacious. We have a full-length mirror on the wall. We have a painting of Professor McGonagall in here. They do provide bath towels here. They also have cotton balls. I assume that would have been for Q-tips, but I don't think they remembered to refill it. And then they also give 2 bars of soap. One is in the shower right now. They also have shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and a makeup washcloth. And then here are the rules for all of the towels and linens. Behind the door, we have a Gryffindor flag. And then in here is our big closet, or the room of requirement. In here, there's a lot of space for hanging stuff. They also have a high chair in here, which is really good. There is a pack and play. There is a laundry basket. There is a vacuum cleaner, a gate for kids. There's an ironing board. There's another luggage rack. There's an iron. There is a safe. There's extra towels and something else for a baby that if you can tell me what that is in the comments, let me know. Now let's head upstairs. We have a wall of portraits. We have Cedric. We have Sirius, we have Mad-Eye Moody, we have the founders of Hogwarts. It feels like we're on Forbidden Journey right now. We also have Sir Nicholas and Dumbledore, and even Fantastic Beasts made it up here. Right up the stairs is the washer and dryer. Then right after that is our Slytherin room. It is so cool in here. This is also a king-size bed in this room as well. There is a TV in here. There is a big dresser as well. We have a side table and another side table. We also have Tom Riddle's diary and the basilisk tooth and Death Eater mask. And then we have another bathroom in this room. It's another big bathroom in here. Moaning Myrtle is here and Severus Snape. The full-length mirror is in the closet in here. There's also another ironing board, another luggage rack, and a gate. Extra bedding in here, the iron, and extra towel. And then behind the door is a Slytherin flag. I also do love that all the rooms have a fan. Now let's walk down the hall. Wait, I did not even notice this. What is this? Oh, this is not for us. This is... But it's cool. I thought it was gonna be like a cool shoot. But in this hallway is where you will find the temperature control. And then on the left is our Ravenclaw room. It is so pretty in here. Nobody's staying here, so it's all pretty and fresh. This is what it looks like with the towels on the bed. These are 2 queen-size beds. I just love the little posts on it. We have one nightstand in between with a lamp. We do have a fan in here as well. TV in here as well. We have a mandrake. We have Hedwig. We have that star thingy, but then we have our dresser here as well. And then here is our closet. There's extra pillows. There's like a picture of an eagle in the closet, which I guess fell at some point because Ravenclaw is eagle for a symbol. But then here's the rest of the closet. They have this hanging, they have an extra towel, they have hangers, they have the luggage rack in here. It's still pretty nice size. And then back in the hall to the right is the Hufflepuff room. And it is so stinking cute in here. But the reason why, even though I'm a Hufflepuff, I didn't sleep in here is because it's 2 twin-size beds. So, I mean, if I'm gonna have an option for a king, I'm gonna go for it. But it's so cute. There's towels in here as well. You have the Hufflepuff on the wall. It's so nice. And then you have this little table with a lamp. We have a TV in here as well, little Hogwarts Express plaque, and our dresser. And then here is the closet for the Hufflepuff room. It's still a nice size. And then finally we have the last bathroom. I guess this would be shared for the Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw room. Professor Flitwick is in here. This one has a double sink, a standing glass door shower, the same amenities. It's funny because this is empty, so maybe just their cleaning person didn't have it the day that we came in, but it's just like empty. I assume it's Q-tips. Oh, and Professor Sprout is in here. It's hard to tell, but this is still a very nice sized shower in here. And I love that each room has their own blow dryer, and I used it with my diffuser attachment, and it was actually really good. It was really powerful. I didn't have to bring my own blow dryer, which was really cool. And now it's my favorite part of my room tours. Wait a second, this is the whole house. How are we supposed to do the outlet stitch? There are outlets everywhere, but I guess now it's time for the outlet stitch Airbnb edition. We're gonna go around the house and see all, there's no way we're gonna find all the outlets, but we're gonna do our best to count as many outlets as possible because outlets are important. So let's start counting them up. 6 sets of outlets in the kitchen area alone. 1 in the dining room, 1 behind the couch. There's another one behind the couch, but we can't use it because it has the ring hooked up. There's 1 below the counter in the kitchen too. 5 sets of outlets in the Gryffindor room. 5 sets of outlets in the Slytherin room. 3 sets of outlets in the Ravenclaw room. And 3 sets of outlets in the Hufflepuff room, plus 1 outlet in their shared bathroom. I was able to count 36 outlets for this entire townhouse. I think it's great. I think there's a lot of outlets in the rooms. I'm very happy with this. So the Harry Potter Airbnb is getting the Hijinx outlet seal of approval. Okay, this community also has a few extras. We did take the car, but it's a quick little walk down the block and to the right on the way out. There is a playground here. There's basketball courts. There's even a grill. And then all the way by the gate, you have the pool. They do have a pool here that you can use. The pool is open from dawn to dusk. There is no lifeguard. There is some lounge seating. It's a really nice pool, actually. We have a hot tub, and there's even a little waterfall. This is so relaxing, super nice. And then you have this clubhouse area open from 8 to 8. The lounge seating, there's some snackies in here. There's even a barber. And there's this great little indoor play area for kids. Plus they even have vending machines here, so if you forget anything, you don't have to go too far. Well, my dudes, that was this Harry Potter Airbnb in Kissimmee in Orlando. I had a great stay here. I'm having the best time watching Harry Potter, playing Harry Potter games, and just being in this Harry Potter atmosphere. I booked this the day before coming, and it was during spring break where everything was totally full and booked. And this was $129 a night. There is a cleaning fee, but still, for up to 10 people, imagine splitting that between like a whole group of people. Like we're splitting that as 2 people. It comes out cheaper than a hotel. It's a great experience. You get this entire space to yourself, a laundry. It's really such a no-brainer in my eyes to definitely check this out at least one time when you come to Orlando. I know I would totally come back here in a second. But let me know in the comments, would you stay in this Harry Potter Airbnb? Have you stayed in an Airbnb when you come to Orlando before? What was your experience like? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes in this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon, become a patron and get exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, help with trip planning, and so much more. And you'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like these Airbnb tours and more to the channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.